Hello there. Today's Wednesday, May the 2nd, 2018. I'm down here in the garden. Finally got everything cleaned up. I'm ready to try and cut it to get ready to plant some stuff. Thought I'd bring everybody along with me. So come on, let's see what all we can find. In fact, I've got some stuff growing down here that I didn't even know I had. I'll show you that in a little while. So let's see if we can get this tractor going and see if we can't get some stuff ready to plant in. And check these out. That's volunteer onions from last year. I just cleaned out around them just a minute ago. I'm going to put some compost around them. They're growing good. Can't believe they came up like that. Must have been seed left over. It fell down from some that germinated or something. Over here's some more. I've got to clean this up. If you look down through there, you can see there's onions down there on that end coming up. But there's a bunch of little piles of garlic, like this one. I bet there's 25 or 30 plants right there. I'm going to dig them up and spread them all out up this row and make a whole row right here of garlic and onions out of those. And they volunteers that came up too. There's several little bunches. Over here's another one. Came up. And 2 or 3 more up through there, where I can spread out some more. So I didn't think I had much of a spring garden, but I got some that come up on its own, like those over there. Pretty cool, huh? What's up? Huh? I'm having trouble with my tractor, but my neighbor came down here with his rototiller on his and tilled it all up. All I got to do now is lay my rows off. I can go get ready to start planting. So I'm getting there. Let me show you what I'm going to start planting. I'm talking about that tractor right there. Had to go buy a coil for it. But anywho, the garden's getting there. Hey, right here's what I got to start planting. I got 48 German Johnson tomatoes and 48 big beef. Whoops, these are the German Johnsons. These are the big beef. So that's what I got to do. So stay tuned on the next video. I'm going to lay the rows off and plant the tomatoes. Appreciate you watching the video, y'all. Hope you have a good one. Until we meet again, have a good day. Wait 1 second though, I want to show you something. Tell everybody bye.